let's solve this question. All the factory workers in a factory are equally efficient. However, the daily efficiency of each worker reduces by n by 10% if n workers are working together. Right? If the working hours are same for every type of work performed in the factory and 10 workers together can finish a job in 100 days, then how many days can the same job be finished by 100 workers working together? So, in this factory there is a condition that if n workers work together, their daily efficiency reduces by n by 10%. For example, I'm assuming daily efficiency per worker be 100 units, right? I'm assuming that each worker is doing 100 units per day. Now, in this setup, when 10 workers are working together, they can finish a job in 100 days. But it is given that the daily efficiency reduces by n by 10% if n workers are working. And in this case, 10 workers are working. So, 10 workers, this is the case given, 10 workers are working. So this is the case when 10 workers are working, their efficiency, their daily efficiency would be how much? It would drop by n by 10%. So daily efficiency would be, it would increase in case of 10 workers, it would decrease by 10 upon 10%, that is 1%. It would decrease by 1% because I am assuming the daily efficiency to be 100 units. So 1% decrease means 10 workers now are working at daily efficiency of 99. So it is given that 10 workers with this efficiency can do a work in 100 days, right? This is the total work. Now it is given that in how many days the same job be finished by 100 workers. So when 100 workers are working, their daily efficiency would be, because now 100 workers are working, it would reduce by 100 upon 10%, that is 10% reduction. So it would become 90 units, right? Now each worker would be working at this efficiency 90 units per day. So 100 workers working at this efficiency 90 would do this amount of work in, I am assuming it to be T number of days, and these two has to be same, right? It is the quantum of work or the amount of total work. 100 get cancelled, 90 this get cancelled 11 times. So I get the value of D as 11 days, right? So with this setup, 100 workers working together would finish this work in 11 days. So correct answer would be option A. Next question.